Malola malia hau eiki me lelea tonga hono kotoa. Whiawhia ki utaritan lelei ki mūtonu, ki o mo unia ngongo me le tio ka uma Afrika Television e tonga kihe hawani. Wakai ko ia kihe ngahi ulu i ngongo. Me a eksea whalealea me kau whafofonga whalealea ki se aina iha a ahifa ofisiale. Tali he kabineti ke whakaata e tute me tuku hao ki hono uta mai me alele uhila me i tua pule anga ki Tongani. Pea wikia e he pule neesi ko ia kau tāmo ui a mamani, ka koe minista mo ui malolo a tonga to ke tā amelia tu ipulotu ai ngawe oskia vele ngai kau neesi, i hono whailonga i ko ia awha mamani lahi o i kau neesi i he ahoni. E te ia epe me ngahi talanoa ki he anayangi, whakataha me wakai ke whamimitaha me he mala e o sipoti, ka e uma awha ke whamatala ea, ka koe wakai lewa eni ke whai kiki, ko au sanoli tātu i vai. O kulotonga mea ai sea whalealea o tāki atu ai kulupu kau whafofonga whalealea iha a ahifa ofisiale ki sea ina o whatamua ke whakahoko hangahi a lelea whakate fito i he wāwhengawe aki a Tongani mo sea ina mo e whengawe aki whawhitu u. Whaiki ke tānoka ki hauani pia mo pupua aho.
I haongo mo tuku atu me he ofisia whalealea, nai tu uta e sea whalealea no pene vaia mai kau whafofonga whalealea ki Beijing sea ina i he wike kua o si. Nai tatarea ki nau tonu i he mana whakapuna e he ampastoa Tonga ki sea ina His Excellency tau ai kau ta atu mai kau whafofonga ma alunga me he kulupu whakatake pule anga sea ina. I fufua aho pere tu utai whalau ki sea ina, na whakatahai e sea mai kau whakafufunga, mai tokoni minista ko Lu Kang aia na e whakahokoi ai talanoa ki e wāwhingawe aki wāwhi a Tonga mo sea ina, whingawe aki a sea ina me ngai whanua Pasifiki ke he, tutuni awe One China, pe me ngahi ka wenga ke he pe whenawe i me whingawe aki ai ongo whanuani. Kei kulupu me he whalealea ko ka waia e onga minista, ko whane whituafe mo William Mrs. Fa, pare mia mano no, ai sake eke, mai kau whakawhawhanga ka kai e toko nima, ko mā tēni tapu e luenu, ka pēri lan mata, te vita poloka Simon e Vuki e Safe Latu, mai onga whakawhawhanga no pele, ko no pele ma afu ma no pele vehala. O ku kawat whoki mani ihi me he ofisi e whanelea o tonga ko toke tā sione wikinani ia si waukala ni wānu sa le tini tu he toka mo linta whini ai. E toka kato ai a ahifka ofisiale koe ni ki he aho taha nima o me.
Na e mea taine Princess Kalao ni he pongponge aho ni o whailongai ai kamate whingawe aki ai kolo ko Palo Alto Amerika pe mai wāhenga kolofo o i he pongponge aho ni i Amerika. Nai lawa ke polokalama ko e nia ni ihi me kosilio e wāhenga kolofo o ke whakahoko ai whipota anoa aki me ngai whatutu palani ko e ni. Li te atau kapo me whaikiki.
I he polokalamani, nai whamamawhaia i he pulekolo o East Palo Alto, Webster Lincoln. Ko taha eni he makamaile mahu inga i he whingawe aki koe ni. O ka mahi no mai ai e mahu inga e whingawe aki i he ongo kolo, ke langa whakalakalaka i he sekitoa o e ako, sekitoa maunga awe, pia mo whiwahewahe aki i he anga whakafonua. Lolo tonga eni, nai pehe e sekretari seniale e koslio e wahenga Nuku'alofa, sione moala mafi. Koe alea pau koe ni, ko whainga maali e lele ia ki he ongo kakai o ongo kolo, ke whiwahewahe aki i ngai lelei kotoa pe o kuna tai maali e ai. O i kai ngata pe i he whakaivia mo toko nia e ngai sekitoa, ka koe mea tēpū, koe whiako aki e ngai ilotu whonua, ke hoko koe tokoni ki e langa whakalakalaka whakaekonomika. Koe polokalama koe ni i hoko atia i he wikeni, ake a ngai polokalama ke lawa atu ai ni ihi o i koslio e wahenga kolofo ou. O wakai tonu ai langa ngau e ngai business e kakai tonga i Amerika, ka peheke ngai polokalama whakalahi ilo ki he historia o ongo kolo. E tātuku ake e polokalama koe ni ai o wau whakamo oni o ia lea pau i he whalaite o i wikeni. Mā ngonga le te o mo televisione tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
Ko tale puli anga ke whaata e tute mo tuku hao e ngahi me alele uhila o kuuta mai mito puli anga. Ko hili eni hono whaha e he eiki pale miano pele whawhanua i ha whaataha me kau whengongo i he wike kua o si. Pia oli e moi whaiki ke tala noko ia ki hauani.
I he mea e pare mia koe tahaine tokoni whakawawewawea e pure anga ke tokonia mo veteki ake ngahi panoparema o ku wheanga hangai me ka kai o e whanua i he hiki e te tongi koloa lolo. O kumahino e kamata ke hou mai e ngahi kautaha mea re e ngahi whamiri tauta. Ai nau mea re uhila ke ngāwe aki tongani.
Ku kau e EV i ono 5 ia i kakai whanua pa mo tau wafe mi ha whaunga ma uivi o wesia ngofua hange koe tau whawhalala koe ki tiso mo i pensini ku mahino ange he tai mini koe ngahi mea rere uhila o ku tolonga ange pa ku lavea ngata i he time kok whae whewhiririo aki holo i he mauanga lolo mo i tiso lo mo i pensini. Ai koe tokoni pule anga ki ai ku lo Tonga ta e tute ai electric vehicle ka utari he pule anga ke to pe mo i city pe ine pehe e ta e tute reva no whahu mai ai electric vehicle pe ko EV tatau ai pe koe mea rere fo pe koe mea rere second hand ka koe ngahi koloa mga mea ngawe ko ia e tokoni au pito ia ki he whewhono a ki pa koe nau ku tari pore anga ke to a pito pe ai ngahi tuku hau koe ni ku whapipiki ki he whahu mai ngahi mea rere ko ia.
O tonganina te mea no per whawhanua ku mahino ai horoa atu ai ngawe ake ai whewhono a ki pasi he ro tongani ka ku kei whakahoko pe ai palani ai pure anga ke te whakaivia mo se ki toa koe ni koe hui o kuia e nau tui koe aroa tueni ke te mamawhange e koroa lolo pe ai whia mau viviri ai whewhono a ki pasi. O ku whawhofua koe ngahi pasi uhila e wanoa o ku whenga ai pure anga ke tokoni aki ki he se ki toa whewhono a ki.
Koe ne tū koe ni ki he toenga koe ngahi ngāo koe pure anga o ku whahano wakai ai ngahi business koe ni pasi pe o ku rotonga whahoko pure anga ngāo ke whātoa lahi ngahi pasi ko uhi o ka pau e hoko atu pe ai wesia ekonomi ko uhi ko tau koe ni i Iran e mahino e holo no whemau e ai whewhono aki private e umea rere pa whemau ke iai ha system ke whewhono aki ke whalala ke ai kakai whanua ai au ku ia ma whakaukau ke whenga i hangai pasi mahalo tānak maha u pasi uhila ki he laine pasi wanoa ke ne hanga o toni mo whaivia e whewhono aki kakai whanua.
Kai ke hoku mahino pe, te kia ke whapapau i ha taimi pau e taofi ai ai whetā aki koia e wā Iran mo Amerika ka koe taha ni e palani loro ai pure anga ki ha wesia e toe lahi ange.
O ko ki whamamani lahi i he tauni i mamani pe he ki tongani ai mahu inga hono toka ngai kina o kaunesi i he mahino ko ki nau tolu ai ka huitu a mālohi i he ngahi ngā ue whawhale maha ki. Nai wiki ia he pule nese kau taha mo uia mamani ka koe minista mo ui mālolo to ke tā ambelia tu i pulotu ai kaunesi kotoa o ku nau tuku pai nau mo ui ki he ngā weni koe whalotolahia o i aho mahu i ngani i ono whailonga i ai aho whamamani lahi o i kaunesi. I he aho taha ua o me o tau kotoa, o whamanatua whamamani lahi ai aho o kaunesi mo e taktaha ka veinga i he tau kotoa. Ko e tauni o ku tataki aki ai ka veinga ko e kaunesi ko e kaha uia, whaivia e kaunesi ke whahauwhi ai ngahi mo ui. I e whalotolahi e nesi pule kautaha mo uia mamani to ke tā ameria tu i polotu na ane whamamawhai ai, ko e ka veinga e tauni o ku haihai mai ai ngafa mahu inga o ku whai i he kaunesi, i hono tokanga i kina ai ni ihi o knau tā koto i he mohenga o i mamahi. O ku mahino ngahi pole ku whiangahangai me kaunesi i he taau e taimi, ka o ku nau kei tuku pāka kato pe ke whakahoko e nau ngā we ki he lelei taha, i he mahino ko ki nau tolu ai kau huitu a mālohi i he ngā we whawhale maha ki. I he nepehe ko o ke whamau inga i ai ngāwe ai kaunesi i he ahoni, i he nau ngāwe tōtō iwi, ngāwe o sikia velenga, mo i ngāwe mātia ki o kuna whakahoko i he ngahi whare maha ki kotoa. Nā tui pehe tuke tātu i pulotu o tuku pāe kau taha mo uia mamani ke whakaiwia ai kaunesi, ki hatu unga o ku toi lelei mo tā wange, ka hui ko mawhatuki ai ngāwe o ku nau whakahoko. Kai ke hitongani nei kai ke whailonga i ai aho i kaunesi i he ahoni, ka o ku ia e uki me potungai mo ui a e nau honga ia i he kaunesi o ku nau whakahoko whatongia i he whalemahaki vai o la. Te tau kai lewa heri ki he tuunga o ea, toko mai me senta whamatala ea tonga i whaamotu, e whakahaukatia e Viola Mainikolo.
Malala o malia hau eiki mo lele ia tonga kotoa, tai lele e pek motor ke tau whamatala ea ke whawhini. Ngahi tala nola lahi ko ia o e whamatala ea, ko no siofi ko ia alo tāmaki uha i he ongo niwa. Whawhawhaki ngā unu whakatonga i whoia ki wawao kai maai o tu haapai i he pōni o a ke pongpong ko ia pongi pongi. Pe uho uha i ngai vai whanua ko ni ki toke lau, kai maa vai loto, ai ako o tu haapai e pe mo wawao. Pe whoki ma ili moko ko ia ai ea pe me tonga hahake hoko hoko atu i tau whanonga atu ko ia i pōni. Tau te whitoen ke ngai vai whanua o wawao haapai Tongatapu pea mo ewa. Imisi satellite ko ia o ahoni e tau whai whanonga mai i hoa pongpong o ahoni o mai ke hoa tā o ahoni. Oku mahino lelei pa whaingofua o pito lava ki tau wakai ke ngai whetu ko ia o ku tokai e alotāmaki. Ai a ko e alotāmaki uha tau whanonga mai ahoni na e toka pe ongo niwa, pene ua uha e ongo niwa. Ka kono hala whanonga. E whanonga i whoia he pōni ki wawao, pepe whoki ki e oto haapai a hengi he tau whanonga atu i he pōni. Tongatapu mo ewa he hoka atu pe ni alomali e ia pe hangai uha tu moto i hangai whetu pe ni ihi ka koe alotāmaki o whai sio e kei toka pe i he ongo niwa wawao kai maai o tu haapai. Ngai whatokanga koe au whaihono tuku atu i he whiawhini, koe whakatokanga uhalai pa moi tā whea. Ko tuku atu ia ki wawao pe he whoki ke o tu haapai he whiawhini, koe uhi ko no siofi ko ia alotāmaki e ne a uhi whoki he ngo wai whanua koe ni o wawao pe moi o tu haapai e toi lahiangi uha. Pe ko ia whaihono tuku tō mua ati e whiawhini, ka whai sio ki he ua koe ni ke a pongi e toi lahiangi. I wawao kei maa ai o tu haapai. Pei hoko atu whoki, ai timi ngā ue a hono Moimoi ai alotāmaki uha koe ni. I aho ni ma koe a ka hoko mai e Pasifiki, ka mata a pongi o au ki whaasinga o e weekend ni. Ai ako a pongi eni mo wakai mai ki ke lanumata, ko e uha ia al ki toi lahiangi whawhawhua ki a pongi i he tau wakai koe ki wawao kei maa ai o tu haapai. Pea ko hono siofi koe hoko atu e lahiangi pe whainga maale ke ne westia wawao kei mai o tu haapai pe tu whainga maale mai pe moiongo niwa. Ko e toka angamatangi e ne angai pe me tonga hake e hoko atu ia e ta whanonga atu ia i he weekend. Pea whai sio ki hako e whasinga o e weekend alu pe ke toi maalohi ange pea ma opo ange ai angai koe hawili pe me tonga hake. Tā wakai koea ki he no hala whanonga o e alotāmaki tu apule lulu, hala pe ke holo e uha, i he tu apule lulu ke whalaite, ka koe hako, ma opo lelei hake ai tonga hake, pia me he whasinga koea o e wike, toko naki pia moe sāpate hako, pia me tonga hake, tēne tofuhia ai tā wakai koea ki o tau ngahi elia, i he whasinga wike ni. Ka e hohoka tono Moimoi i he timu ngā ue, ki hono tukuata ngai whatokanga i he whasinga koe au ike, i he whalaite, koe hui koe sio ki ako ka mata atu e pō whalaite hohoka tai ke sāpate, koe hui koe kautou tai, oku mahu inga o pito, ke nau mao e whatokanga hako koe ni, ki mua pia parani hao ki tahi, whai hasi o whaki, ki he sāpate, ki tau ngahi whamili. Ka moto e wakai mai pe i he hoko atu koe ni, ki hono Moimoi o e hako koe ni pa me tonga hake ki whasinga o e wike. Tā wakai koe ke whamatala ea, ki he pōni o a o ki a hengi i o tau ngahi wahi whonua, whai pe hono siofi au tāmaki uheongo niwa, pa mono hala whanonga, i ne whanonga i whai pōni, ki wawau, pa pefoki ki a hengi, hoa pongpongi, he nea o mai, ki he otu haapai. Halpeke au awhia mai whotunga langi, nungal whanpa mo ewa hengi e mongai ua tō motoka. Ma ili moko pe ea he pōni o au ke tiri sotiasi e tahaono, tahawalu ki he otu haapai i he pōni. Moko lelei pe ngoni wai tiri sotiasi e ua tolu e ta whanonga tuke he pōni. Pea koe hawili e nea ngai pe me tonga hake o tau ngai potahi ma alohi koe ma le tahi hongfulu ki taha nima. I he tau whanonga atu e pōni ki a pongpongi. Paka tawa kai koe ki he pule lulu, hoka tono sio fe altama ki uha koe ni, ka kohono koe wakai koe ia pia me whiawhini, alpe ki toi lahengi uha, mo wakai mai pe ki wawau, alpe ki toi mālohiangi, ai wali mai koe o lanu mata, pia pe he whoki kene whanonga he whoki au mai ki he o tuha apai ngai konga a uha lahi koe ni, i he hoa tā e whiawhi koe ia a pongpongi ki o tuha apai. Pe he whoki ai maa ngahi uha tu moto ki nunga whani pa mo e wai wai whawha pongpongi, kai maa ai o ngō niwa e uha tu moto pe mo e ngō niwa a pongpongina. Maa whana taha ti liso tia se wa fitu ki e wahiwa a pongi pe koe havili e ke ia ngai pe pa me tonga haa ke maritahi ngoflu ki taha nima. E pa ngai taimi e a oi ke maritahi e ua noa o tau te fito e nia ki ngai whetu uha lahi a pongi po tahi koe a ngō niwa kawat kai pa mai otu haapai. E whiawhi ko ia a pongi ke hoko atu pe uha ia i wawao kai maa otu haapai ia pe whanga maali e ke a umai pa mangahi uha tu moto ki Tongatapu pe mo ewa i he pōko ia a pongpongi ki e pongpongi topule lulu alu pe ke whailonga mai ha uha lahi ki niwa fo'ou kai hoko atu a hono Moimoi ai ngō waiwhanua koe ni pe ia o ke uha lahi i he pōpule lulu ki he pongi tu a pule lulu. Tai me tahi ke he koutou tai ai au maha tokai he pō ni he toi wanoa ke honfulu mo fisi mai hua o tau maali a hingi e hoko totonu ko ia ai wha. Whangailu pe ke hopo hake la ai o sua pe me fitu pe hopo e mahina hingi i he ua ni mawha. Ko tau whanonga tuen ke mahina fo'ou pe ko e mate ko e mahina i he sāpate o e wikeni. Au ni maka hoko mai, Nuku'alofani, ke ai pe whang maali e ke hangai ua tu umoto i he māmalohi me ko e hako i he tokonaki, sāpate kai maa mo ni te uwi ke kahau. Māmalohi me whuke hako pa me tonga hake o alo maali e pe kai lawa kene o mahangai ua tu umoto e tau whanonga koe ni. Pe ako moko lei pe fua mawhanata i me ahoa ti lisio te ase waono ki he wawalu i Nuku'alofani. Pe koe lawa kakato e mo whamatala ea ki he whiawhini amanak pe mo mau hae e whiawhi whono keles ia kai malo pito mo mea mai ka mo mea.
Malo pito e Vaiola mai Nikolo, koe whamimitaha e tuunga o ea ki he Hawani. Ka ki mapatau mawai tau te whakaipeheni ki he ngahi ulu i ngongo. Mea e ksea whalealea mo kau whafofonga whalealea ki sea ina iha a ahi wha ofisiale. Tali he kabineti ke whakaata e tute me tuku hao ki hono uta mai me alele uhila me i tua pule anga ki Tongani. Pea wikia e he pule neesi ko ia kauta mo ui a mamani, ka koe minista mo ui malolo a tonga to ke tā Amelia tu ipulotu ai ngawe Oscar vele ngai kau neesi i hono whailonga i koe a awha mamani lahi o i kau neesi i he ahoni. Pa moi ka kāte peha mo uni o ngongo me leti o ka ma Afrika televisione tonga ki he Hawani mo i ai whaka amu. Ne au tono atu ki loto whali, ai tonga hono koto. O ata pe whamalo, ka uhi ko ta whangai aki ko ta pe me whamanatu, ka i ai haongo, ka ta whetutake me ke whika telefoni, ua tonu i ni mahu. Whamalo te tau ke whi amai, ko austina lita tu i vai,
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for this Tuesday evening, May 12th. Today's top stories. Speaker of Parliament Lord Vaya leads a parliamentary delegation on official visit to China. Kolofa'o District Council kicks off celebrations to mark sister city partnership with East Palo Alto in the United States. And government waives duty tax for imported electric vehicles. These and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest from the sports scene and the latest weather updates to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I'm Boboa Aho. The Speaker of Parliament is leading a parliamentary delegation on an official visit to China this week, engaging in high-level talks focused on Tonga-China relations and regional cooperation. According to a press release from Parliament, Lord Vaya and the delegation arrived in Beijing, China last week for this official visit. They were welcomed at Beijing Capital International Airport by Tonga's ambassador to China, His Excellency Tongatapu, and senior officials from the International Department of the CPC Central Committee. During the opening day of engagements, the delegation attended a luncheon meeting hosted by China's Vice Minister Lu Kang. Discussion centered on Tonga-China relations, China's relationship with Pacific Island countries, the One China policy, and other matters of mutual interest. Members of the delegation include Ministers Fanefituafe and William Mrs. Fa, former Prime Minister Aisake Eke, and other MPs, Mateni Tapunwelu, Kapeli Nanmata, Te Witapuloka, Simon Evuki, and Isafe Latu, along with Noble's representatives Lord Ma'afu and Lord Ve'ehana. Also accompanying the delegation are Dr. Sione Vilikinani, Yasivo Kalaniuvalu, Sanitiri Tuhetoka, and Linda Finiai from the Office of the Legislative Assembly. This official visit is expected to conclude on May 15th.
A delegation from the Kolofo'o District Council and officials in East Palo Alto have this morning kicked off a week of celebrations to mark the sister city partnership between Kolofo'o and East Palo Alto in the United States.
Her Royal Highness Crown Princess Sinaita Kalatuku'aho was guest of honor at the event, which gathered officials of East Palo Alto and representatives from the Kolofo'o District Council that travelled to America from Tonga to celebrate this significant occasion. At the event, the Mayor of East Palo Alto, Webster Lincoln, highlighted the importance of the collaboration, saying the partnership reflects a shared commitment to creating opportunities and benefits for both communities in areas such as education, employment, cultural exchange, and community development. He added that the partnership is not a small undertaking, but one built on service, support, and love for the people. Secretary General of the Kolofo'o District Council, Sione Malamafi, acknowledged the milestone, describing the agreement as a valuable opportunity for the people of Kolofo'o District to strengthen development and expand opportunities for its communities. He said the partnership would allow both communities to support one another through education, employment, cultural knowledge, and economic growth, bringing lasting benefits and blessings to the people of both communities. The program will continue throughout the week with a visit by members of the Kolofo'o District Council to Tongan-owned businesses and historical and cultural programs introducing the history and development of both communities. The official signing of the agreement is expected to take place this Friday. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
Government has approved for electric vehicles to be exempted from import duty tax upon arrival in Tonga, which was announced by the Prime Minister Lord Whakawhanua in a press conference last week.
The Prime Minister Lord Whakawhanua said this is one of the government's urgent measures to help address and ease the problems faced by the people of the country due to rising fuel prices. It is understood that vehicle companies and individual families have already begun importing electric vehicles for use in Tonga. Lord Whakawhanua also said it is clear that the use of public passes has declined recently. However, the government is continuing its plan to strengthen the public transport sector because it believes fuel prices will continue to rise and passes will become increasingly necessary. The government is reportedly looking at supporting the transport sector with around 20 electric passes. However, it is still unclear when the conflict between Iran and United States will end, and this is part of government's long-term planning for the possibility of even greater impacts.
Today in Tonga and around the world, there is a strong call to recognize the importance of caring for and supporting nurses, acknowledging that they are the backbone of healthcare services. In celebrating the International Nurses Day, former Health Minister, who is now Chief Nurse of the World Health Organization, has praised nurses all around the world.
The chief nurse of the World Health Organization and former Minister of Health, Dr. Amelia Tuipulotu, praised all nurses who dedicated their lives to this work as part of the celebration of this important day marking International Nurses Day. Every year on May 12, International Nurses Day is celebrated worldwide with a different theme. This year's theme is Our Nurses, Our Future, Caring for Nurses. In her message of encouragement, Dr. Amelia Tuipulotu emphasized that this year's theme highlights the vital role nurses play in caring for those who are sick and bedridden. She also called for greater appreciation of nurses on this special day, recognizing their handwork dedication and demanding responsibilities carried out in hospitals everywhere.
Today, we celebrate nurses everywhere for your compassion, professionalism, courage, leadership, and unwavering commitment to people, families, and communities. Nurses are the foundation of our health systems. You are the first point of contact for care, the trusted voice in communities, and the steady presence sustaining health services at every stage of life. Your work aligns with the WHO Academy's vision of ensuring that all people have access to competent and motivated health and care workers, supported by sustained investment. The Academy brings together WHO's work on health workforce policy, strategy, learning and capacity building, and advocacy. The State of the World's Nursing 2025 report reminds us that progress toward universal health coverage cannot be achieved when there is inequitable access to nurses and the services you provide. We need sustained investment aligned with the global strategic directions for nursing and midwifery 2021-2030. The report also highlights critical reality. Health systems can only be resilient if nurses are supported to provide health and care in a rapidly changing world. Climate change, humanitarian crisis, aging populations, digital transformation, and artificial intelligence are reshaping health and care globally. On this International Nurses Day, we invite you to access the courses on the WHO Academy online learning platform. We reaffirm our commitment to recognizing your contributions and your leadership in shaping equitable and resilient health systems that benefit everyone everywhere. To every nurse around the world, I thank you. We are proud of you. We stand with you, and we celebrate you today and every day.
Although there are no formal celebrations today, the Ministry of Health expressed appreciation for the nurses carrying out their duties at Viola Hospital.
Now taking a look at the latest weather update from the Foremoto Weather Forecasting Centre with Viola Vainikolo.
Good evening once again. Welcome to your evening forecast from your Met Service. Headline for tonight, trough over the Niuas will continue to bring occasional showers of rain to the northern part of Tonga, the Niuas, and also the central part of Tonga, Vava'u and Ha'apai group. The cooler southeast straight winds will continue to reach the central part of Tonga, Vava'u and Ha'apai, and also the southern part of Tonga, Tongatapu and Ewa land areas tonight. Satellite imagery are always the best pictures that gives us the weather, how it looks like in our area of forecast. So first thing first, the active trough expected to move from the Niuas, move south onto Vava'u by tonight and Ha'apai group by tomorrow morning, while Tongatapu and Ewa will continue mostly fine most of the time. So isolated showers are possible, but most of the time will be fine. Cooler southeast trade wind will reach the central part, Vava'u and Hawaii, and also the southern part of Tonga, Tongatapu, by tonight. Warning for land areas as of this evening, heavy rain in first flood advisory are now in force for Vava'u and Hawaii land areas. As I've said, the trough are expected to move south onto the central part of Tonga and bring occasional rain, so potential heavy falls are expected or forecast for tomorrow over the central part of Tonga. In the next 5 days across the Pacific region, as you can see, this is tomorrow. The heavy rain colored by green are expected to for the central part of Tonga by tomorrow, and also forecast to clear out later on Thursday to Friday. But the southeast trade wind are expected to become more stronger, up to strong wind from the southeast by the weekend. So warnings should be out by Friday morning or Friday afternoon. This is how it goes. As you can see, the rain are concentrated to the central and the northern part of Tonga, start clearing out later Thursday to Friday, and the strong southeast trade wind are expected over the weekend. So warnings should be out by Friday. Forecast for tonight until tomorrow morning. The cloudy condition are continue over the Niwas with occasional showers of rain possible heavy at times. Looking at Vava'u for tonight, this cloud band, rain band will reach Vava'u by tonight. Early tomorrow morning will extend onto Hawaii group, and Nuku'alofa and Ewa here to the south are expected to be mostly fine by tonight, with potential isolated showers with minimum of 17 degrees tonight here in Nuku'alofa, and also Vava'u around 18 degrees over Hawaii, and the newest forecast down to 23 degrees tonight. Southeast trade wind continue over the coastal waters of Tonga around 10 to 15 knots most of the time from tonight until early tomorrow over our coastal waters from the north and south to our southern waters. Stepping forward to Wednesday morning, main concern is this cloud or rain band that moves onto Vava'u and also Hawaii group by tomorrow morning. So this is Wednesday. This is actually heavy rain for Vava'u, and also expected to extend onto Hawaii group by afternoon tomorrow, while cloudy periods are forecast for Nuku'alofa and Ewa with potential isolated showers, and also the newest maximum temperature around 28 tomorrow. Here in the southern and the central part of Tonga, 29 degrees to the far north over the newest. Southeast trade wind will continue across Tonga coastal waters around 10 to 15 knots most of the time, with potential rising up to 20 knots at times, especially with the heavy rain band located, which are Vava'u and Hawaii coastal waters by tomorrow. So tomorrow afternoon, as you can see, the rain band will continue over the central part of Tonga. Vava'u and Hawaii potentially shift to the north over the newest by later tomorrow night to Thursday morning, as it continue to move to the western side of Tonga by Thursday morning. Southeast trade wind will continue until Thursday morning. Tide prediction for tonight. Low tide will be 20 minutes to 10 p.m. tonight, and the high tide will be early tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Sunrise tomorrow 2 minutes past 7, and the moonrise will be early tomorrow morning at 2:54 in the morning. 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa. Fine weather will continue most likely by Thursday and Friday, when the strong wind from the southeast portion occasionally it will bring occasional showers by weekend, especially Saturday, Sunday, and also Monday next week. Maximum temperature forecast around 26 to 28 degrees at daytime here in Nuku'alofa in the next 5 days. And that will be all from your Tonga Met service this evening. Thank you for listening.
Thank you to Viola and the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest weather update. That wraps up this hour's news package, but before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Speaker of Parliament Lord Vaya leads a parliamentary delegation on official visit to China. Kolofa'o District Council kicks off celebrations to mark sister city partnership with East Palo Alto in the United States. And government waives duty tax for imported electric vehicles. That wraps up this hour's news package for this Tuesday evening, May 12. For more on these stories, you can visit our website at www.tbc.to. Join us again tomorrow for the latest local and sports news and weather update. Now, for myself and the radio and television Tonga news team, thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.